Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul, so stay tuned for all the goodies. Now, there's been some issues with tissue paper and paper towels and cleaning products, so you won't see that for the moment. I hope they'll restock soon at my local branch, but we'll get into the nice decor, DIY kind of items. So I've come across this decor. As you can see, they're really pretty carrots that I'm thinking of turning into a wreath. I believe Bargain Bethany did something similar on her channel, and I'll link it down below. But I did pick up 2 packages of this, see if I can make that happen, make it all spring-like in my home. I did pick up Smart Care's clear vinyl gloves. I can't stress these enough how handy they come in handy. One size fits all, 10 vinyl disposable gloves per package, so I picked up 2. Also my Craft Square glue sticks. They are a great tool when it comes to my DIYs, and I can't stress them enough. And for $1.25, when most places will charge you $2 and above, so 20 pieces per package. So I picked up 2, of course, just to keep in stock in my home. And in their beauty care section, Sassy and Chic, they're bringing out some really great items by Sassy and Chic. This is a cleaning duo facial brush, sorry. I don't think it's battery operated, but nonetheless I picked it up. They had an assortment of colors: turquoise, pink, purples. I picked and I think just a clear white, but nonetheless I picked up a pink. And in their beauty care section, baby section, home section, I picked up these really nice satin pillowcases. I don't think I'm going to use them for pillowcases. I might use them for a costume or something to the effect. But I picked up 2 from that same section, Dollar Tree. Also, I needed some tulle, so I picked up this Pew bows with tulle. I'm not going to use the bows, obviously the tulle, but 2 pieces for $1.25. Picked up 2 packages. Also, this is new from the Dollar Tree. They have sequin sheets. How cool is this? I think this is really going to be great, and that way I don't necessarily have to bejewel everything, so I'm going to give these a try. They had in pinks. I picked up this nice purple and this nice kind of like blue, deep sea blue. I like this. So I picked up 2 of each sheet, and we'll see how that comes in handy for cosplay, perhaps. Also, in their cleaning organization section, I picked up another one of the under their bed shoe organizer. Really does come in handy, and this is the other color aside from gray. So I picked up 1 package, and also this under bed storage package that has like a nice top, and I believe this has a zipper, so this is nice. The other one I picked up I don't think had a zipper, so I picked up one of these, about 25 each, in their cleaning section. And also in their decor section, since summer is around the corner and they love to be ahead of the game, I picked up this nice little lantern. It has like an inside candles, you can see LED lantern, really pretty. And I think it's kind of, if you don't know, I'm thinking of doing something, a cosplay, a DIY for The Little Mermaid, so stay tuned for that. We shall see how that comes together. And then, yes, for Oscar weekend, I picked up another package of Oots popcorn butter. Comes with that movie kind of flair that makes you feel like you're in a concession stand. And I picked up a Ferrero Rocher chocolate. So we are ready for Oscar viewing to believe tomorrow night. So when you watch this, you already know. Make sure you tune in to ABC for the awards show, because Lord knows everybody's going to be watching. Nonetheless, I hope you like what you see. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share. Tell me what item here spoke to you. What item do you think you might want to go and snag when you go to your local branch? And if you'd like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, review, and haul. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.